come from? How do you get it? Let's face it, selling books is not the most efficient way to make money or reach your financial goals for most of us. People do it, definitely. There are people that definitely do it. But for most authors, it takes a while to build up the credibility to be able to quit their day jobs. But the good news is creating a book can be a great way to make money in other ways. And this week on Lulu University, we're going to talk about how to leverage your book into a profit-making machine. We see it all the time. Most people ask, how do I sell more books? But a better question is, how can I use my book to make money? If you're an entrepreneur, business professional, company owner, expert in your field, or you offer a service, writing a book can be a great way to attract attention. And oftentimes, attracting attention means attracting money because you're also attracting larger and more profitable opportunities. Here are 12 ways attention from publishing a book can lead to sales. Number 1, consulting services. So publishing a book can establish you as an authority on your area of expertise, which can set you up as a consultant for that area. Up next, paid speaking gigs. So a book is a great way to establish yourself as an authority on a subject and get you booked to speak on that subject. And the beauty of this one is, after you're done speaking on the subject, you can sell copies of your book. Genius. Number 3 is professional services. So establish yourself as an authority in your field and then use that authority to generate new clients. So a lot of people don't know how to choose the right doctor or financial advisor. By creating a book, you are letting them know what it would be like to work with you and then educating your clients on what they can expect. Number 4 is coaching services. So creating a book is a great way to display your expertise and illustrate to your potential clients what it's like to work with you. Number 5 is bringing clients to your agency. So client acquisition can be a real pain, but by creating a book, it can bring clients to you and help you land larger accounts. Number 6, sell a physical product. So maybe you're selling some health supplements, but the sales aren't going great. So if you write a book about a specific diet that the reader trusts, that will make your name more trustworthy, leading to more sales. Number 7 is freelance clients. So if you're a freelancer with a specific skill, writing a book for a specific genre or niche can help you get a huge influx of work. Number 8 is workshops and group teachings. So most companies are going to be more inclined to hire a professional if they have a book on their expertise. So maybe you wrote a book on retirement savings. Offer a workshop or a class that you can help walk people through that, with the bonus of potentially selling your book to the class attendees. And bonus, what if you created a workbook or some supplemental material to help attendees stay on track? Number 9 is raising money from investors. It's always a challenge to get people to give you money, but by writing a book, it can give some really deep insight into who you are, your philosophy about things, your process, and help to gain trust and help build that relationship with potential investors. As a bonus, it's also really nice to see that you've already invested in yourself and taken the time to create the book, which can help others be more inclined to invest in you. Number 10, sell a video course or informational product. So many times people will actually pay more for a video course, so your book can be a great way to lead them to buying advanced video courses that you may have or more information about your process. Number 11, sell a software. So if you have a specific software that you're selling, writing a book about the industry and why your software is so important is a great way to turn readers into customers. Number 12, promote a conference or event. So if you have an upcoming event or conference you would like to stir up some publicity for or drive more attendees, creating a small book about it can be a great way to attract more people and get more information to them. So those are 12 ways to make that money off of the book that you created. But there are a lot more. I mean, maybe you create a podcast based on your book, or maybe in your book you discuss something that would lend itself to a really nice YouTube series. So feel free to get creative and think outside the box. And remember, you don't have to rewrite the Iliad or create an epic every time you want to create print collateral. Keep it short and sweet to keep your readers engaged the whole time. Have you thought of a different way to make money off your book? Let us know in the comments below. Hit subscribe, hit like. We'll see you next time.